Students, hello students. Today we are continuing our topic binomial theorem. The next question is as like this: if the coefficients of x power 9 as like this, if the coefficients of x power 9 coefficients of x power 9 comma x power 10 and x power 11 are x power 11 in the expansion of n plus x whole power n are in AP. Okay, then prove that n square minus, then prove that n square minus 41n plus 398 equal to 0. Understand? So, question is if the coefficients of x power 9, x power 10 and x power 11 in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power r n are in arithmetic progression, then prove that as like this. So listen, in the expansion 1 plus x whole power n tr plus 1 equal to ncr, r plus 1 term, x power n minus r, 1 power n, a power r, x power r. This is the coefficient of x power r, required coefficient of x power 9, x power 10, x power 11 as like this. Listen. Okay, according to this, coefficient of as like this is tr plus 1th term. Listen, t9 equals to t8 plus coefficient of x power 9 required. So, like this, t9 plus 1 equal to, and this is the coefficient of x power r and cr. So, coefficient of x power r is NCR. Similarly, coefficient of x power 9 is NC9, x power 10 is NC10, coefficient of x power 11 is NC11. According to the question, given these coefficients NC9, NC10, NC11 are in arithmetic progression. Listen, I have already told you in the previous problem, if ABC are in arithmetic progression, what is the formula? A plus C equal to 2B. Okay? As like this. Listen, our continuation problem, continuation of the solution as like this. Okay? A plus C, NC9 plus NC11 equal to 2 into NC10 It can be taken as NC9 plus NC11 by NC10 equal to, take cross multiplication. Split the fraction. NC9 by NC10 plus NC11 by NC10 equal to, it can be written as NC10 by NC9, NC11 by NC10 equal to 2. This can be taken as like this, okay? We can take as like this, 1 by NC, this can be 10 by NC 10 minus 1. This is NC 11 by NC 11 minus 1 equal to, we have a formula NCR by NCR minus 1 equal to N minus R plus 1 by R. We have this formula as like this, okay? This is the formula. In the same way, NCR by NCR minus 1. R value is 10. N minus 10 plus 1 by R 10 plus. This can be written as 1 by N minus 10 plus 1 by 10. This is N minus 11 plus 1 by 11 equal to 2. Understand? Now, it can be taken as like this, okay? 10 by N minus 9. This is N minus 10 by 11 equal to 2. What is LCM? N minus 9 into 11 LCM. 11 into 10, 110 plus N minus 9 into N minus 10 equal to 2. Take cross multiplication. 110 plus N minus 9 into N minus 10 equal to 22 into N minus 9. What will come here? 110 plus, open the bracket, n square minus 10n minus 9n plus 90 equal to 22n minus 22 into 9, 18, 29 to the 18, 18, 19, 198. So, what will come? See, listen, n square minus, all terms take together, 200 minus 22n plus 198 equals 0. The next thing is n square minus 19n, 22n, 14n plus 398 equals 0. This is proved. The next question is as like this. Okay. Now, the next question, if n is a positive integer, the next question is, if n is a positive integer, okay, if n is a positive integer and x is any non-zero, positive integer and x is any non-zero real number, Then prove that real number. Then prove that our question is C0 C0 plus C1 into x by 2 C2 into x square by 3 plus C3 into x cube by 4 and so on, plus Cn into x power n by n plus 1 equal to 1 plus x whole power n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1 into x. Prove as like this. Here question is, if n is a positive integer and x is any non-zero real number, then prove that C0 plus C1 into x by 2, C2 into x square by 3 plus C3 into x cube by 4 and so on, plus Cn into x power n by n plus 1 equal to 1 plus x whole power n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1 into x. Here, see the solution. We have the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n. What is that expansion? C0 plus C1x, C2x square, okay, C3 x cube and so on, plus Cn x power n. This is the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n. Understand? Okay. Integrating both sides. Integrating both sides in between the limits. In between the limits 0 and x. Understand? Now we are going to integrating in between the limits 0 and x as like this. So what will come? Let us check it. Left side, so will come as integrating 0 to x 1 plus x whole power n dx equal to 0 to x c0 c1x c2x square plus c3 cube and so on cn x power n dx. This can be. This is in the form of x power n formula, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. This can be getting as like this 1 plus x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 0 to x limits. So the next one is integral c0 dx is c0x plus c1 x square by 2 because integral x power n dx x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 c2 x cube by 3 c3 x power 4 by 4 and so on plus cn x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 in between the limits 0 and x. Understand? So let us apply the upper limit and lower limit. First write the upper limit as it is x, wherever x is there, replace it by x only. Lower limit is 0. By applying the limits will come as same thing, 1 plus x whole power n plus 1 by n plus 1 upper limit minus lower limit, put x equal 0, 1 by n plus 1 will come, 1 power n plus 1 is 1 only, equal to right side x place is x only, C0x C1 x square by 2 plus C3 C2 x cube by 3 plus C3 x power 4 by 4 and so on. Cn x power n plus 1 by, this can be written as C0 x C1 x square by 2 C2 x cube by 3 plus C3 x power 4 by 4 and so on plus Cn x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Okay. Left side LCM is n plus 1. And what will come in numerator? 1 plus x whole power n plus 1 minus 1 equal to x get common right side, C0 plus C1 into x by 2 plus C2 into x square by 3 C3 into x cube by 4 and so on. Cn into x power n by n plus 1. That x transpose to left side will come as 1 plus x whole power n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1 x, take cross multiplication, equal to C0 plus C1 into x by 2 C2 into x square by 3 plus C3 into x cube by 4 and so on, Cn into x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So, therefore, we can write it as like this, okay. This can be C0 plus C1 x by 2 plus C2 x square by 3 C3 x cube by 4 and so on plus Cn x power n plus 1, n by n plus 1 equal to, we can write it as 1 plus x whole power n plus 1 by minus 1 into n plus 1x. Hence, proved. Understand? We got this value. How much? Okay. Now, listen. With the help of this problem, listen. With the help of this problem, we can take as like this a not condition. Listen. In this result, suppose if put x equal to 1, what will happen? Is check it. In this result, suppose put x equal to 1, what will happen? Let us check it. Listen. So, what will come here? C0 plus, okay, C1 by 2, okay, plus C1 by 2, C2 by 3 as like this, C1 x by 2, C2 x square by 3, C3 x cube by 4 like this, C2 by 3 plus C3 by 4 and so on. Cn by n plus 1 equal to 1 plus 1 2 power n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1. This is one of the result. Understand? So vision one thing. Suppose with this result, suppose put x equal to 2, we can prove one more, we can get one more result as like this. Understand? What will come? Suppose if x equal to, suppose if x equal to 3, what will come? Okay, suppose in the result same, put x equal to 3, what will come? C1 into C0 plus 3 by 2 C1, 3 by 2 C1. Suppose what will come? 3 square by 2 means what will come here? 9 by 3 C2 plus 27 by 4 C3 and so on. 3 power n by n plus 1 Cn equals to 4 power n plus 1 minus 1 by 3 into n plus 1. Here we can do as like this. Understand? We can prove the results in the same way as in this form. Understand? Okay? The remaining we should do in the next class. Understand?